Right, so next request, integers. So that's basically dealing with negative numbers and positive numbers, whole numbers. So we're going to do some calculations for these examples. Now, remember, you have a negative number line if you have a ruler handy, and as most of you borrowed rulers, you should be able to have one with a negative number line that goes to negative 15. Basically, if you turn your ruler upside down, then it is your negative number line going from right to left. So if we want to do 5 take away 7 using your number line, you're going to go 5 and you're going to do 5 jumps to the 0. Then you're going to turn your ruler upside down and you've got 2 more jumps to get your 7 jumps in. So our final answer is going to be -2. So what happens if they have what's called directed numbers? So they have 2 signs in the middle, and I know that confuses some of you. Basically, the rule is if the signs are different, then you're going to replace it with a subtraction sign. So if we're doing -7 add -12, basically we're saying we're doing -7 and we're taking away 12. So we know we're making a bigger negative number, so it's going to be the smallest number. Basically, we know our answer is going to be negative, and then we do 7 add 12 is 19, and our answer is -19. Now, what happens if we've got 20 take away -3? The rule is, if we've got 2 signs the same, then we're going to change that into an addition problem. So we've got 20 add 3, which gives us 23. Now, multiplying negative numbers and dividing negative numbers. If you have 2 positives, you're going to get a positive answer. If you've got 2 negatives, you're also going to get a positive answer, which is why, if you remember back to squaring numbers, that -3 squared is +9 because it's -3 multiplied by -3. But if you have different signs, then you're going to get a negative answer. So when you first look at the question, we've got 2 times -8. There's only 1 negative, so we know that the answer is going to have to be negative. And then we're just doing 2 times 8 from our times tables, so we know that that's -16. For this one, we have -3 multiplied by -10. Now, if you want, you can put in that it's going to be a positive answer because you've got 2 numbers with negative signs. And then 3 times 10 is 30. You don't need that positive sign, but if it helps you to remember that it's going to be a positive answer, then include it. You won't be marked incorrect. For dividing, we've got -100 divided by 20. So again, 1 negative, negative answer. And then how many 20s are in 100? And that would be 5. Final example, this time we've got 2 negatives again, and we're dividing this time, so our answer is going to be positive. And 49 divided by 7 is 7. It's as simple as that. If you need any more help, just let me know.